is beautiful Elizabeth. Elizabeth has her winter coat, and the kennel tech was out brushing her today to get her winter coat off so she can go into her summer coat. She is a lower energy dog. A little run in the yard is going to be fine for her. She stays on her feet, does not jump up, which is great. She's good on the leash. Oh, look at her. She likes that, being brushed. Anyway, this is beautiful Elizabeth. Looks like she's got a great home coming to her. That's what we're hoping for. Anyway, this is beautiful Elizabeth here at the CCPAL Rescue. She's filled out, and now she's going to be going to her forever home. This is beautiful, amazing. One of my favorites here, Elizabeth. Look at her. Aw, pretty girl.